All right, here we have another one of the Good Earth 48-inch LED lights that have went out. Now, I'll zoom in here and see if you can see this part. You can see here that some of the LEDs had some issues, but overall, it was the drivers that were going out on this. So we needed a solution because these things, well, they cost almost $100 now. So at, I don't know if we got these at Lowe's or Home Depot, I can't remember. But anyway, price certainly went up on them. And once you have fixtures up, you would like to retain the same design and everything. So one of the things that I was thinking about doing was saving the fixture by getting new LEDs. And I was gonna just get LEDs and drivers and put them in myself. Then I found this company, superbrightleds.com. There's the name right there. And they had the set all ready to go here, a 48-inch LED set. All we have to do is take out the old ones, put in the new ones. And actually, I thought, wow, once I got these and saw the way they were wired, because you don't even have to do any drilling on these. They have magnets on them, holds right in. So kind of neat. So I thought, well, this is easy enough for a kid to do. So I went and got a kid, and we're gonna have a kid do it. You ready to go? All right, go to it. First thing we're gonna do on this set is one that is held in by screws. I would suppose that there could be ones that are held in by rivets. Be easy enough to drill those out. But here, all screws. Okay, there's one side done. Oh yeah, you got the retainer. Yep. There you go. I think you got two more to go. You can leave that screw in there.
Oh, you skipped.
Yeah, you skipped a couple. Oh yeah. You may have to loosen that one too, I just noticed. That one, yeah. Oh yeah, that one you just got out, okay. Well, pull these out through here. Okay. No, that you can just leave in there. Don't worry about that for now. All right, so we got all the old LEDs drivers out. Now it's time to put the new ones in. Again, what you heard was those magnets going on. This driver's held in by magnets too. And one of the things you got to look at, if we didn't film this part, is you have to put the lines in. Let me move this down just a little. This thing's in the way. Or just pull these up a little so I get a little bit more play in this line. But we place these in the proper places here, the positive, negative. This is for if you have a dimmer, and we're not using that, so these I will just end up capping off before I hang it up. But that is how easy it is to do, and we went to Super Bright Lights LED for this set. I think the set cost somewhere around $27 to $29. I can't quite remember. But I do like the way it's set up with the magnets. It goes in super fast. I think you could probably use this if you wanted to save some fluorescent fixtures too. Either way, it would work. The only other thing I would say is if you were to go out and buy a new light, if I would just go out and buy a new one, I would spend somewhere between 90 and $100 now. I think that the prices really went up. So there you go. That's how you can save your fixture and save some bucks while you're doing it. And as you can see, it's not hard at all. I appreciate you watching.